guys, welcome to another page of Alia's Food Diary. So, we are going to make stuffed mushroom gravy. अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो. Don't forget the bell icon. We'll start by soaking the cashews, poppy seeds, and almonds. Now comes the cooking part. For the stuffing, we'll heat a pan, add butter to it, crushed garlic, and chopped bell pepper. Now we'll add spinach to the pan. When the spinach starts wilting, pour in the grated paneer. Add chilli powder, salt and black pepper and stir to combine. Someone great said it. When the stuffing is ready, stuff it. Butter a baking tray generously. Here I have removed the stems of the mushrooms. Stuff all the mushrooms with the stuffing. Bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes until they are cooked through. If you don't want to use the oven, shallow fry them until the cheese is melted and the mushrooms are cooked. For making the gravy, into a mixer grinder we'll add chopped onion, garlic cloves, green chillies, soaked almonds, cashews and poppy seeds. Use water as needed and grind them to a smooth paste. Heat a medium-sized pan, add butter, whole spices, and the paste from before. We'll cook the gravy for about 10 to 15 minutes. When it starts sticking to the pan, add some milk to it. We'll add black pepper, salt, and yogurt. When your gravy is ready, pour it into a dish. Put the stuffed mushrooms on top. Garnish with cheese and coriander.